everyone, it is Foxtrot Girls 0 with Spark.
I'm like literally going to fail.
And I'm with my mom. Say hi, Mom. That's the world. That's my mom, actually. Have it shown?
Fail. Oh my god, 12
She's
seconds.
on Animal Jam.
Okay, 12 seconds. 12. Okay. Okay, stop counting down, so. Whatever. Let's pick. See, oh, come on. The thing was epic and I totally failed.
Wait, come here.
Okay, but I'm the only one that didn't vote.
I know.
Not my fault. Amy was helping me something.
Sorry, I was terrible at that round. And I was supposed to be a cowboy.
Brightest. Press up the bright. Oh, wow. You made it terrible.
I suck at this sometimes.
Most brightest.
Oh, sorry. My dogs are here. It's night.
Okay, it's like 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Most brightest. Bright. I need to be bright. Hey, Cor.
What'd you say?
I said hey, Cor, but
Alright, guys, Faith laughs like every single minute.
Okay.
See? Look, she's laughing right now. She laughs like every single 5 minutes. Or 2 minutes. She'll just come up with something funny, or she'll say something and then...
Okay.
See? She laughs like every single 2 minutes. And she laughs for 3 minutes. Sometimes I just... That was funny. Oh, yeah, school.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
For a second place.
Hooray!
Yeah. Hi. 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 Time for your birthday. Hi. Time for your birthday.
What did you say?
Jorge, time for your birthday. Superheroes have mohawks.
Always have mohawk.
On their head. There's nothing that looks like superheroes.
She looks like Spider-Man or something.
They don't have a Spider-Man mask.
Go up, go up. They usually have... Go up. Go up, quick! Stat! I want to see! Okay, go down a little. Never mind.
Hi. Hi. Hey, Horn. Hey, Horn.
There's my dog, Zoe.
Jose. Oh, completely forgot. I should have won. Yeah, I called it. Yeah.
Oh, you want something cool?
I know. I don't get it. And now the results are in.
Got nothing.
I got nothing.
I love the face you just did.
Nothing. Nada. Zero. Nothing. A dancer. Oh, we got this, dancer. We got this. Just watch this one episode of Dance Moms and you know the whole history of it.
Wait, do it again.
Okay.
Oh, wait, let me take a picture of this, please.
Okay.
Alright, say it again.
Okay.
No, do it one more time.
Okay.
Yes! I got the photo shot. Awesome. I can show you after the video.
Okay.
I love the options. Oh, silly girl. This is what we do every night. Actually, we go on AJ every night.
You're with us.
We are.
You're with us. Okay. Alright, looking for a dancer. That's not me. I don't see anyone.
She looks like a dancer, seriously.
Ah, that's me. I could dance. Boom. Ka-ching.
I'm taking so much photos of you.
Kachong. Kachong. Oh, I got third place.
Kachong Wani. No, it's like this. Kachong Wani.
Kachong Wani. No doubt about Kachong. Kanong. No doubt about Kanong Wani. No doubt about Kanong Wani. A warrior. Okay, I definitely got this. Warriors wear black, white, and everything nice. Oh wait, no,
That's Powerpuff Girls. Oh my god.
what? My sister watches a lot of it.
I know.
Ninjas.
Well, I'm your sister, but your little one.
Yeah, our little. There's a warrior hat. There's a hat.
What? Let me see the face.
There's a hat. Is that a warrior's hat?
Looks like Luz. Do you want to
That's
lose?
the warrior's hat. No, this is the warrior's hat. We'll lose next round because I'm pretty good at warriors. We'll lose next round. Remember that thing, the place where we were getting all those answers and questions wrong?
Do you want to do that after?
Yes.
Trivia after this round.
Trivia. Whoa. Okay, warriors. Is that this one?
Who's growling? Who's growling?
I'm changing my face after thinking of I told you I know how to dress up like a warrior.
A warrior?
I told you I know how to dress up like a warrior.
One of the spots. I need to put this on the charger.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back.
Looking for a friend. Oh my
Hold on, I'm so uncomfortable.
Trouble night for us every night.
Hold on.
Let me Jamma. Let me into Jamma.
No, go to the arcade. Click the arcade. No. Gotta click on the arcade.
Okay.
To go to the arcade.
Where is it? Which one is it?
Go over there. Where the thing is.
Where? 9, 8, 7. Ah! She got it right.
Oh, it's just you two.
Oh.
Let's see who wins the battle.
We're gonna lose.
It's a battle. We're gonna win it.
Icebergs are formed by a large chunk of baking.
Snowdrifts, I think.
Mountains.
Oh,
we're losing.
we're losing. Okay.
Instead of a mouse butterfly have a long straw-like sculptured tuber. A group of hippos is called a float? A class. How about that? No. Floors, houses, and bicycles can be made out of flowers. Armadillos are native in what part of the world?
This is random.
Antarctica. Antarctica. What medium orange has less vitamin C than which one? The green-colored pigment in plant leaves is called.
No! Wait, we're still gonna come in last place though.
Oh,
No.
how can we come in last? Second
You
place.
wanna get out of this game?
No, I always told you one more round. I'm
Okay.
gonna go back to this. The Chinese is a type. The chimpanzee is a type of squirrel.
Or we can go to the pillar room.
Yeah. When a rhino feels threatened, it just looks like to take a nap.
Take a nap.
Where does sharks live? In trees! A group of blue jays is called swarm. Long ago, lobsters were used for lobsters. No!
No! Sharks
Sharks
are
are
the
a
type.
type of
Squid.
Sharks are a type of
People.
measured hundreds of miles during the summer to find
People. People.
Greek is called a group of Greek.
Do you know what's so weird about the name people?
What?
Peephole kind of sounds like a meeple.
Maple. Oh my god!
You get it?
Oh, he does not mean that. I got it. You from it. Oh.
Wait, don't want to go back to best dress?
No.
Or go in the pillow room?
Pillow.
You're just like, pillow. Pillow. I wet my nose.
What?
I went like this. Go to the pillow room. Just go to the pillow room.
Just wet your pants?
No, I did not wet my pants.
Why do you wet your... Oh.
Well, my sister's recording me. Or whatever.
Morning.
Need Fox I hate need Fox's sis. Oh, Foxy's sis. Foxy won Tomboy. Please. No.
I'm on my account.
I know. Foxy won Tomboy. Oh my God.
Hi. Say hi.
Hello. Foxy saying hello. He looks nothing like Foxy. I'm sorry, guy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dancing, but you look nothing like Foxy.
Camera.
Just type up here.
Camera. That's how I spell it. Camera. Something hi.
Hi. Say everyone, say hi. I'm recording. No, put it in cats. The camera. Purple guy is better. No, Foxy and Chica are better. Sorry. Hi, camera. Someone's like, hi, camera.
Hi. I'm Robot Snow. Oh, come on, no person.
I know her. We gotta know her here. It's that girl right there in the wings. She's Natalie's bad. Today. Wanna go to the summer carnival?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, go to party. Go to party. Yes.
Alright.
Or you can go hang out with your
I
buddy.
got this.
No. Yeah, okay.
Four more.
Oh, yay. You got another buddy. Everyone wants to be your buddy.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's go to carnival.
Dun, dun. I know your favorite game.
What?
Ball
This
thing.
is like my favorite game and I'm super good at it.
Ready? Yeah, I know. She got like a lot of tickets
I got
today.
156 tickets.
151.
I'm not like,
No, you gotta press it. Click. No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Nah. No, don't do that. Do this.
Oh,
You gotta tap it like that. No, yeah. No. Dude. Oh my God, it was on pause the whole time.
Alright. We are going to make a new animal for me.
I got your nostril mouth. Wait, hold on. Okay. No.
Is it recording?
Mm.
No, I know where. No,
No.
Oh.
It's not a diamond shop, stupid.
I'm going to have a panda. Cause it's so cute.
Well, old grandpa.
No.
I found old.
What's it called?